We're on the top floor, which is really nice. Here we are. So here's the kitchen. We're here only for the summer, so don't mind the boxes. Keeping them there for move out. It's very spacious and open, which is really nice. I wish we were here for more than a summer because I love Leavey 4, but as you'll see soon, there's not a whole lot of storage in the bedrooms, so I'm actually kind of glad that I only need 2 months of clothes, which for me is still a lot. As you can see, we have a lot of storage down here. And here's the living room. Definitely a lot more spacious than Tendrick, which I love. And it's June gloom right now, but we have a really good view, and especially on sunny days. I mean, obviously those people have a way better view, but you can see Marina del Rey, and on not cloudy days, the ocean is also right there. So you can see the mountains and the city and the ocean on a clear day, which is really cool. That's one of my favorite things about this apartment, is the view that it has. And even though we're on the 4th floor, people on the 2nd floor have this, like, a very similar view too. And even if you're not on the side that has the bluff view, it's still a pretty good view of the walkways and libraries and stuff. Pantry right here, very big. And up here is my roommate's room, which is a little bigger, more horizontal than mine, but pretty much the same. You'll see why. Here's the bathroom. Hey, what is up? Pretty decent storage in here too. We got, you know, all that good stuff. Lots of drawers and cabinet space underneath here especially. The bathroom itself is pretty big too. Nice big shower. And now we'll head into my room. Maybe a little bit smaller than Tendrick, but not much. Photo collage on the wall and my desk. The desks have the little hutch things. Tendrick didn't have those. So they're pretty cute. But there's also less storage inside the desk, so it has the cute little corkboard, but the drawers are more awkward. Like, they're functional, but like the spacing of them is a little bit more awkward than the Tendrick setup. And you can see I'm using the most out of my space as far as clothes and accessories go, because there is not a lot of closet space here, and I will get to that in a minute. It comes with a dresser. It comes with a bookshelf, which I use for storage under here. And I have my nightstand. What's nice is they have little windowsills, and because we're on the 4th floor, we can leave the window open a little bit and get some fresh air and birds chirping and sunlight for plants. And the city lights are coming on, which is so pretty. Again, probably my favorite part of living here. And then we have my record player with the shelf here. This is really helpful when you're sharing a fridge, because drinks take up a lot of space and it's cute. And don't mind my messy nails, I just got done with a paint day at the scene shop. And here's Nora's side, my roommate. Very cute. I also have a shelf here where I keep my teacups and mugs because I have a lot of them. Again, because the closet is so small, I have this drawer here, which this entire thing is just filled with rolled up t-shirts and some sweatshirts. La La Land poster, because how could we forget? And here is the closet. The first inconvenient thing is these doors. Why would you put those? Anyway, okay. Like you can only see half the closet. Anyways, this is, I have a lot of clothes, so maybe it's more of a problem for me than it is for other people. But still, why would you make a closet this small when there are places like Tendrick that have the giant walk-in closet? Ugh, I miss my Tendrick closet. Here's the other side. So, I mean, it works. I've made it work. So, it's not the end of the world if you have a lot of clothes too. But that's the only reason I'm glad I'm here for only half the summer, is I don't have to deal with this lack of storage in the bedroom for that long. So, I would definitely recommend living in Leavey for its vibes as a building as a whole are definitely better than Tendrick. Tendrick is nice on its own in the room, but it kind of feels like you're in a hole and it's enclosed, whereas every other apartment here is outdoors. Like you walk up to it on a little like balcony thingy, and Tendrick is more like a dorm. So at first it kind of has some like weird backrooms vibes, but you get used to it. Like it's not that big of a deal. Here it's definitely much nicer, much more open with the rooms and the building. And especially if you get a bluff view, oh my gosh, like it's only a partial bluff view for me and I love it and it's amazing. So if you're lucky enough to get that, that makes it worth it. And even if you don't, it's a pretty good setup. And the storage is the one thing I don't like. Everything else is good. So the storage and maybe the room size, it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst either. Anyways, overall, more pros than there are cons, so I love it. And also this is the summer housing if you want to stay at LMU over the summer. So that's why I'm here. And I got waitlisted for campus housing for the fall and I've not gotten off of it for a while, and same goes for like most juniors and seniors. So I'm enjoying this while it lasts. Thank you, LMU housing. But anyways, it's pretty sweet. I'd recommend living here and I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. See ya. See ya. See ya.